Hello tunes and welcome to today's video. We have a strange traffic jam. There is here a bridge with a height and width restriction, and under the bridge you get to a point where there's these horrible bollards designed to destroy people's vehicles, and people are often pretty scared to go through. So, what's happened? We will have to see. I'm thinking someone's got stuck. Perhaps in a vehicle that's a little too wide. What do we think? Answers on a postcard. Well, the one side is blocked with a big removal van type thing. Everyone's unfortunately going round the opposite way. He is stuck. Oh well. On the next thing, we get a truck canyon. And then we find this car thinks, hello. Thank you. And then this is a bit where we just can't see anything. So we have to try and enter the roundabout with the beaming sun in my face. Absolutely nothing to see. And then here we are, car in lane 1 of a 3-lane roundabout. Of course, this means he's doing a U-turn. Because that's why you'd be in lane 1 when you want to do a complete loop of the roundabout. Who cares? Let's go over there. Fantastic, mate. Cheers.